Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can search for filters on Instagram, so let's get right into it. Now, the only way that you can search or even use filters is while making a story, so let's get right into it. Once you're on your front page, you can either hit the plus in the bottom of the page and hit story, or you can just swipe right on that page and you will arrive at your story posting screen. Once you're here, you can browse your filters here at the bottom. As you can see, I have some blur filters lined up. However, if you scroll all the way to the right, you will see a looking glass icon such as this. It will say browse effects, and all you have to do is press that button as if you were taking a photo, and for some reason it just took a photo. However, if I press it again, it keeps taking the photo, so I'll try it again, and as you can see now it worked, and I have the blur effects selected. However, the thing that should pop up is this sort of screen where you can browse filters like this, go to trending, go to appearance, do whatever tab you want, or you can just go to the looking glass in the top left here, and you can search effects yourself by name or author. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.